Hey y'all, so it's like almost 2 o'clock in the morning and I'm up sitting at my desk, and I just did this video on my Instagram story, and make sure you follow me. It's at I am Krystal Lee. I am looking crazy right now. I'm looking so crazy, girl plus God, but I had to come on here right now because I just did something on my IG story like I just said, and I was like, I really need to probably put that on YouTube because I just wanted you guys to kind of know my process and know kind of how I started my journal planners, you know, from start to finish. I said I was not gonna do a video about this, and I'm not gonna like go too in depth, but I just want to kind of motivate somebody today and inspire you to start no matter what it is that you're doing. So first, so you guys have seen this, I've been showing it to you. It's my Wake, Pray, Slay prayer journal. It got me on the inside. It's super dope, right? But this is how it started. I literally took out some white paper, folded it in half, wrote what I wanted, Wake, Pray, Slay prayer journal. And I didn't worry about how I was gonna get it printed, who was gonna do it, how much money I needed, any of that. I just literally took out this white paper and was like, put the ideas to paper. So a lot of you are so focused on, how do I get my stuff printed? And my first question to you is, have you even put anything on paper? Do you even know that there's a need for what it is that you're trying to make? Like, start here before you start driving yourself crazy, freaking yourself out about the process. Just start. So this was my start. I didn't worry about anything. Like, I just legit started writing stuff down. And as you can see, I have a scriptures index, daily affirmations, hopeful prayer guide. This is for the month. What are your goals for the month? What are you trusting God for today? And look, scriptures index, helpful prayer guide. What do I want? How to use your prayer journal, calendar. What are my personal goals for the month? Notes, month. But legit, it started right here. It started right here. So I know it's January, it's a new year, everybody's excited, everybody has so many goals and plans, and you know, we're doing our vision boards. But if there's something that you want to do, I need you to just literally start. Pull out some paper, write down your ideas, and get it out there. I didn't want to start this on a computer. I wanted to actually write it down. And look at these lines, okay? Squiggle and all, they're different. They're like different sizes and everything, but I didn't care. I just wanted it to be mine, and I will save this forever. I would literally save this forever because this was a stressful process for me, but I'm like, I literally went from this to this. And it's so amazing to see the manifestation of your dreams come to life. So start whatever it is that you want to do. Put the ideas down. Do it today. And of course, this one as well. This is the sermon notebook because I need to stay off my phone in church. And I love this one. Ephesians 3:20. I'm just really, really proud of these books. And as you can see, I use them myself. I love them. And they both started like this. So I hope that encourages you today. I love you guys. And I